Are you ready to totally transform your kitchen and make cooking a breeze? In this video, we're revealing 20 life-changing kitchen gadgets that save time and effort, from futuristic tools you didn't even know existed to clever gadgets that make every meal easier and faster. Stick around till the end, because these innovative kitchen must-haves will completely upgrade the way you cook, prep, and organize. Number 1. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Make opening cans effortless with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Simply place the can, press a button, and it opens smoothly and safely, eliminating sharp edges. Battery operated and compact, it fits easily on any countertop and is perfect for quick meal prep. Ideal for seniors, busy families, or anyone who wants convenience in the kitchen, this automatic can opener saves time and effort, combining safety, efficiency, and ease of use. It's an essential gadget for a modern, stress-free cooking experience. Number 2. Black Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper. Chop ingredients quickly with the Black Plus Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper. Its powerful 150 Weichu motor and stay-sharp blades make chopping vegetables, nuts, or herbs fast and effortless. The compact one-touch design ensures easy operation and cleaning. Perfect for small kitchens or busy cooks, it reduces prep time and keeps your workspace tidy. Durable, reliable, and efficient, this food chopper combines convenience with performance, making it an essential tool for quick, precise, and consistent chopping every time. Number 3. Amazon Basics 3.2 quart 6-in-1 air fryer. Cook healthier meals with the Amazon Basics 3.2 quart 6-in-1 air fryer. Capable of frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, it delivers crispy results with little to no oil. The easy-to-use digital controls and compact design make it perfect for small kitchens or quick family meals. Durable and versatile, it allows you to prepare a variety of dishes efficiently while keeping cleanup simple. Combining convenience, healthy cooking, and modern technology, this air fryer is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone looking to save time and enjoy tasty meals. Number 4. Zule Kitchen Milk Frother Wand. Create cafe-style drinks at home with the Zule Kitchen Milk Frother Wand. This compact handheld frother whips milk quickly into creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolate. Battery operated and lightweight, it's easy to use, clean, and store. Perfect for coffee lovers or home baristas. It elevates your drinks without the need for bulky machines. Durable, efficient, and convenient, the Zule Milk Frother combines functionality with style, bringing professional quality froth to your kitchen in seconds. Number 5. Secura Electric Wine Opener. Open wine bottles effortlessly with the Secura Electric Wine Opener. Its powerful motor removes corks smoothly in seconds with minimal effort. Perfect for gatherings or quiet evenings at home. The sleek, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the rechargeable base adds convenience. Ideal for wine enthusiasts, it prevents broken corks and enhances your drinking experience. Reliable, stylish, and easy to use, the Secura Electric Wine Opener is a must-have gadget for any kitchen, simplifying wine enjoyment with efficiency and elegance. Number 6. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. Measure ingredients accurately with the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. This sleek, compact scale provides precise readings for cooking and baking, ensuring perfect results every time. Easy to clean and store, it features a clear display and simple touch controls. Perfect for home cooks, bakers, or portion control. It saves time and reduces errors, combining accuracy, convenience, and durability. The Amazon Basics Kitchen Scale is an essential kitchen tool for anyone who wants precise measurements and consistent culinary success. Number 7. Zule Kitchen Garlic Press Set. Make garlic prep effortless with the Zule Kitchen Garlic Press Set. Designed for efficiency, it crushes garlic cloves quickly while keeping your hands clean. Durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handles provide comfort during use. Easy to clean and store, it's perfect for cooking enthusiasts or busy home chefs. Combining convenience, style, and functionality, the Zule Garlic Press Set is a must-have kitchen tool that saves time, enhances flavors, and simplifies meal preparation. Number 8. Mr. Pax Hinat and Nans Collapsible Silicone Camping Bowl. Enjoy outdoor meals easily with Mr. Peanut. And 39. Slapsible Silicone Camping Bowl. Made from durable food-grade silicone, it folds flat for convenient storage in backpacks or drawers. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or travel. Easy to clean and resistant to heat, it makes outdoor dining simple and enjoyable. Practical, compact, and versatile. This collapsible bowl combines convenience with durability, ensuring you have a reliable, portable solution for meals wherever your adventures take you. Number 9. Utensil Stir Automatic Pan Stirrer. Simplify cooking with a Utensil Stir Automatic Pan Stirrer. This hands-free gadget stirs sauces, soups, or risottos evenly, preventing burning and saving time. Adjustable speeds and a stable design make it suitable for various pan sizes. Perfect for multitasking in the kitchen or busy cooks. It ensures consistent results while freeing your hands. Durable, efficient, and convenient, the Utensil Pan Stirrer combines innovation with practicality, making meal preparation easier, faster, and stress-free for any home chef. Number 10. Thermomonster Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Cook meat perfectly every time with the Thermomonster Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Its fast, accurate readings ensure steaks, poultry, or roasts are cooked safely and to your preferred doneness. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it provides reliable results in seconds. Perfect for home chefs, barbecue enthusiasts, or busy cooks, it saves time while ensuring food safety. Combining precision, convenience, and reliability, the Thermomonster Meat Thermometer is an essential kitchen gadget for achieving perfectly cooked meals every time. Number 11. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer. Transform your meals with the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer. Effortlessly create noodles, ribbons, or spirals from vegetables for salads, stir-fries, or healthy dishes. Its powerful motor and multiple blade options make prepping fast and precise. Compact and easy to clean, is perfect for home cooks looking to save time while enjoying creative meals. Durable and efficient, the Hamilton Beach Spiralizer combines convenience, versatility, and style, helping you turn everyday vegetables into beautiful, nutritious dishes in seconds. Number 12. Flairosol Eau Relivia. Oil sprayer. Spray oil evenly and effortlessly with the Flairosol Eau Relivia El Aero Sprayer. Ideal for cooking, baking, or grilling, it provides precise control while reducing excess oil use. Refillable and reusable, it's eco-friendly and easy to clean. Perfect for dressings, sautéing, or roasting, it ensures healthier, evenly coated meals. Sleek and durable, the Flairosol Oil Sprayer combines convenience, style, and efficiency, making it a must-have tool for anyone looking to cook smarter, healthier, and more efficiently in the kitchen. Number 13. Modern Innovations Magnetic Knife Bar. Keep knives safe and organized with the Modern Innovations Magnetic Knife Bar. This sleek bar holds knives securely on your wall, freeing counter space and ensuring quick access. Strong magnets accommodate various knife sizes, while the minimalist design complements any kitchen decor. Easy to install and durable, it protects blades while keeping your kitchen tidy. Combining safety, convenience, and style, the Modern Innovations Magnetic Knife Bar is an essential kitchen accessory for home chefs seeking a practical and elegant storage solution. Number 14. Folksy Silicone Pastry Mat. Bake like a pro with the Folksy Silicone Pastry Mat. Non-stick, heat-resistant, and reusable, it provides a perfect surface for rolling dough, kneading, or baking. Measurement markings help achieve precise results, while easy cleaning makes it convenient for everyday use. Ideal for cookies, pastries, or bread, it protects counters and simplifies baking. Durable, versatile, and eco-friendly, the Folksy Silicone Pastry Mat combines practicality with convenience, making it a must-have tool for home bakers looking to enhance their baking experience. Number 15. Meter C Smart Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Cook meat perfectly every time with the Meter C Smart Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Monitor internal temperatures remotely via Bluetooth for precise doneness without opening the oven. Its sleek wireless design provides convenience while ensuring safety and accuracy. Ideal for home chefs, barbecue enthusiasts, or smart kitchens, it simplifies cooking steaks, roasts, or poultry. Durable, reliable, and innovative, the Meter C Thermometer combines modern technology with practicality, helping you achieve professional quality results effortlessly and consistently in every meal. Number 16. Secura Electric Coffee and Amp. Spice Grinder. Grind coffee beans and spices quickly with the Secura Electric Coffee and Amp Spice Grinder. Powerful and compact, it delivers consistent results in seconds, enhancing flavor for fresh coffee, seasonings, or recipes. Easy to operate and clean, it saves time while improving taste and aroma. Perfect for home baristas, cooking enthusiasts, or anyone looking to elevate their kitchen experience, the Secura Grinder combines efficiency, durability, and convenience, making it an essential tool for flavorful, freshly ground ingredients every time. Number 17. Silicone Stretch Lids. Reduce plastic waste with Gridoff Silicone Stretch Lids. These reusable, flexible lids fit containers of various sizes, sealing food to keep it fresh and prevent spills. Heat-resistant and dishwasher safe, they're perfect for storage, reheating, or leftovers. ratio. Durable and eco-friendly, they provide a convenient, sustainable alternative to single-use wraps. Ideal for busy kitchens and eco-conscious households, Gridaf silicone lids combine practicality, versatility, and convenience, helping you store, protect, and preserve food efficiently while reducing waste. Number 18. Dash Electric Rapid Egg Cooker. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Dash Electric Rapid Egg Cooker. Boil, poach, or make omelets with precise timing and consistent results. Compact and user-friendly, it saves counter space and simplifies breakfast prep for busy mornings. Durable and fast, it accommodates multiple eggs simultaneously and includes convenient accessories. Ideal for home, dorms, or small kitchens, the Dash Egg Cooker combines speed, efficiency, and reliability, making it an essential kitchen gadget for effortless, perfectly cooked eggs every time. Number 19. Oricome Vegetable Chopper Cutter. Simplify meal prep with the Oricome Vegetable Chopper Cutter. Quickly dice, slice, or chop vegetables, fruits, and herbs with its sharp blades and easy-to-use design. Compact and easy to clean, it reduces prep time while keeping your workspace tidy. Perfect for busy cooks, meal prep enthusiasts, or anyone seeking convenience in the kitchen. It combines safety, efficiency, and durability. The Oricome Vegetable Chopper makes cooking faster and more enjoyable, helping you prepare healthy, fresh meals effortlessly every day. Number 20. Emerson Robot Whisk Automatic Jar Opener. Open jars effortlessly with the Emerson Robot Whisk Automatic Jar Opener. Designed to grip and twist lids automatically, it eliminates the struggle of opening tight or stubborn jars. Compact, easy to use, and battery-powered, it's perfect for seniors, people with limited hand strength, or busy kitchens. Safe, reliable, and convenient, it reduces frustration while ensuring smooth access to your pantry staples. The Emerson Robot Whisk Jar Opener combines innovation, practicality, and ease of use, making it an essential gadget for any modern kitchen. Thanks for watching. Now you know 20 life-changing kitchen gadgets that save time and effort, the ultimate tools to upgrade your cooking game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to discover more smart kitchen solutions.